Hi everyone, here's a short screencast of how to access MyiMaths today. So you'll come to your bookmark for our math class. You could enter math class or just go to what did we learn in class today. As you'll see here, you can click on this link for whose turn it is to turn it in. And that'll bring you to this web page that we have here that we created in class today. You can click on MyiMaths. Now, when you click on that, it's going to open up a new tab. But before you do, copy this username. And then we'll go to that page. And as it opens up, you'll be able to type in the Chinese, which is the username. You'll come back here, copy, put in the password, and log in. And it'll ask you if you want to save it. You want to save that password. Okay, so it's very, very, very important that you log in and save it so that way you never need to remember it. Now you'll be in my portal. And in my portal, you'll be able to enter in that 3-digit code that I've given you, which for this student, it's 384. I've already saved the password, so it's great. I can log in, and you'll see I've logged in for Katerina. And then you should just be able to click on the assignment and focus on the homework that I've given you. Okay, so it's adding in columns, adding 2 and 3 digit, and you'll be able to complete this assignment. Any questions, just let me know, okay? I look forward to seeing you all in class tomorrow. Bye.